In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix voice chat not working on your Nintendo Switch 1 or 2 on your Fortnite. So the first thing we need to do is to go into Fortnite here, as you can see, and then click on our profile picture in the top right corner, and then click right here, and then click on settings, as you can see. Now click on communications right here. So right here, as you can see where it says communications. So the first setting we need to check is the voice chat right here. So make sure that you actually enable this one to either friends only, friends, teammates and others, or everybody right here, as you can see. So I have it set to everybody here. And by the way, the voice chat method, one of the reasons why it might not be working is because if it's set to push to talk and you don't know the button that you need to push to be able to talk, then of course it will not work. So you can just have it set to open mic if you want to and try once again, or you can have it set to push to talk, but you need to know the exact button, of course. And I believe that you will be able to know the exact button if you go into some of the controllers right here. Let's see if I can find it right here, perhaps. Okay, so maybe I did, but I cannot see it right here, right now. But yeah, I mean, to be fair, I quite often have it sometimes set to everybody myself, or sorry, the open mic here myself. So yeah, then we know that it should basically work most likely. You can have text chat as well if you want to, but that's not relevant for this one, obviously. But yeah, basically that is what I did myself to be able to fix it. So try this and hopefully you will be able to fix it yourself.